Morning guys, another Sunday practice ride. Medyo makulimlim ang panahon. Let's crank this bad boy up. Tingnan natin kung saan tayo dadalhin ng panahon.
What was the last ride you had? I was surprised about Richard. You told me that he's recuperating and he's doing something.
Yun, Mother Nature is crying. So rain break muna. Alright, nag-break time din ang ulan. Let's go! Destination namin is Clark. Dito ride muna going south to check with the other group. I doubt na nag-push through with this weather. Plus, Father's Day today. So, it's a midday in the morning and family day later. So, I need to compress my day up. Show must go on. Scratch that riding itch. Either way, it's good to be back on the road with my gym and riding bro Art, US expat. We got some catching up story with the help of the helmet intercom. It's one of the upside of the intercom, chatting while riding, and next thing you know, you reach your destination. Touchdown sa park. Nice weather. We have football going on. We have the monument ni Colonel John Stoltenberg dito sa Clark Parade Ground. Crowded sa Porch Coffee and walking and heading to Cafe Mesa. Heading home, baby. Rock and roll. Before I forget, happy Father's Day to the amazing dad out there. Siyempre, kasama yung mga amazing mother na nagsisilbing mom and dad. You rock! Mamaya, family day naman. What a beautiful Sunday. Thanks Art for the hearty breakfast. Today's ride was tribute to Richard Miller. So long, brother. I know you're riding your motorcycle in heaven, free and at peace. Alright folks, that's all for today's adventure. A little rain didn't stop us from enjoying a fantastic Sunday breakfast ride. Thanks guys for joining me and catch you on the next ride. Ride safe!